Okay, this is number 19 on the trig worksheet, and they give us, they want us to find cosine of theta, and they give us this coordinate -2, -√5. And so what we've got to do is we got to figure out the hypotenuse of this thing. And so you got your legs, -2, -√5. So since this is not a right triangle triple, then we need to do Pythagorean theorem to find the hypotenuse of it. And so that's what we'll do. So we're going to do a squared, which is -2 squared plus -√5 squared equals c squared. -2 times itself is 4. If I multiply a negative times a negative times a negative, I know I'm going to get positive. And if you do √5 times itself, you just get 5, because √5 times √5 is √25, which is 5. So this will be 4 plus 5 equals c squared. That's 9 equals c squared, and then we'll take the square root. So my hypotenuse is 3 on this one. Okay, and so we are going to find cosine of that angle. So cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent is -2. The hypotenuse is 3. All right, now we'll look at 18. '18 is in the 4th quadrant. It's the point 4, -16. So +4, -16. We need to figure out our hypotenuse. So 4 squared plus -16 squared equals c squared. 16 plus 256 equals c squared. So that is 272 equals c squared. So c is going to be the square root of 272. So I need to break that down. So if we do the square root of 272, we need to think of perfect squares that will go into 272. So if I did 272 divided by, 272 divided by 49, 272 divided by 36, 272 divided by, I know 25 won't go into it, divided by 16, 17 times. Okay, so this is 16 times 17, and take out that square root of 16, which is 4. So this is 4 root 17 for my hypotenuse. Okay, so got 4 -16 and 4 root 17. This wants me to find sine opposite over hypotenuse. So we're going to do sine theta equals opposite -16 over my hypotenuse of 4 root 17. And we're going to rationalize that root by multiplying the bottom and the top by the root. That gives me -16 roots. Come on, pen. Okay, that gives me -16 root 17 over 4 times 17. That's 68. And this part right here simplifies down. -16 over 68. Let's see. That's -4 root 17 over 17.